Philly free and a place to be. See, make sure y'all subscribe to Hey.Norre. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I found a random horse to sit on. Hopefully that's cool with whomever lives here. But, and this is another thing. These. Okay. Anyway, we'll talk about it. So, what was I saying? I don't know. Like, so the doctor said that my vitamin D levels were severely low. So I'm asking him, like, what does that mean? He's like, that could put you at risk for pre-diabetes and like a bunch of other stuff. Basically, I said a bunch of other stuff because the only thing that stuck out to me was like a diabetic, pre-diabetes, because of my vitamin D levels wasn't getting out much. And granted, it was the winter, but it's just so, like, I always think about how, like, in Philly, when I would go see my doctor, he had my vitamin D charts hanging up on his wall, of course without my name because of HIPAA and all that, whatever, but hanging up on the wall for an example to people, to show them like what a good level of vitamin D is, for a person my age and height and whatever, all that. And now it's like a complete, what is it? What would it be? 180, 360? I guess 180. I don't know. To what it is now, and it's just so frustrating because I feel like now more than ever, I'm a mom, I definitely want my health to be better than it's like ever been, but I feel like it's actually like the opposite. Like, I can't seem to lose the weight that I'm trying to lose, and I feel like my skin, like, I'm pretty sure I have PCOS. They don't diagnose you. I guess there's no point, there's no medicine that they can give you for it, but I don't know why they're not trying to figure that out, but I know for sure that I have it. So like all of the dark spots and all that on my face, mostly like my sideburns and like how rapidly the hair on my face grows, I know that that is a direct result of PCOS. They've now renamed it PMCOS. I don't give a fuck. Fix it. Like, give us some fucking medicine for it or something, please. So that's that, and I can't seem to lose the weight, and with PCOS or whatever it is, I know that like something in it makes you like resistant to insulin, so it's like something that's like actively blocking, and it's like I'm really trying like my best. Like, then okay, it's like I have somewhere very important to be in less than 75 days. Well, a couple of days ago it was 75 days. I'm like, ooh, I could do 75 hard because whatever, y'all know 75 hard and all that. Okay, cool. Then something comes out where stop eating the lettuce or you're gonna get explosive diarrhea. Something's wrong with the lettuce. Like, it's really frustrating. Like, that was like kind of funny, but it's like, no, it's kind of not, because I don't really like all these kind of, not mundane, but like random food alerts that they be giving us, and it's like, where is this coming from? When is it over? Like, they did it a couple of years ago with the water, saying the water is not safe to drink. And it's just, I feel like they just be playing with us, because y'all know they do. So it's like, whatever. But like, I just feel like frustrated because I feel like I don't know what is going on. Like, now I'm not talking about the lettuce, I'm not talking about the PCOS. Like, I just feel like I don't know what's going on, like, with myself. And I don't know if I'm ever going to post this. If I don't, I mean, I just have it for myself to look at when I'm reaping the benefits of what I'm going through right now. But only reason why I think I want to post this is because I just know that there's somebody else out there in the same position or something, that hopefully this helps you in some way, because it's really like hard. Like, so for example, like, one of the things that I'm going through is I'm trying to like, break into the hair scene here in Baltimore, and it's not, I wouldn't say it's hard. I mean, everybody, you'll never be without, because people always need their hair done. It's just about them finding me and wanting to book me. Okay, cool. Trying to do that, trying to experience things with my baby, take her to the zoo, take her here, take her there. Also trying to get a remote job because she's not in daycare, and I don't, so she's not in daycare, and the only 2 daycares that I've seen that I would feel comfortable with her being in, they don't accept her age right now. And that's fine, she's almost there, so I know that that's like not even a hurdle or whatever. But I would really love a remote job because I feel like I'm like depleting my savings trying to live and experience things, and I don't want to do that. Don't be doing that, girl. So I just got to be careful, and I feel like I don't know if I'm being too hard on myself. I feel like I am. But sometimes I feel like that's necessary because I don't want to, like, let the stuff go by the wayside. I'm like 90% let it flow. Y'all hear that wind? Like, that's just me. I'm very go with the flow, go with the wind, very chill. But I don't want to be. I feel like I can't kind of be too chill right now because a lot is riding on me, it feels like. And that's fine. Like, I don't really crack under pressure. I just feel like I need a W. Like, I need a W, and I'm being obedient, trying to, relish in, the lessons that God is trying to teach me. And it's just tough to even talk about these things because I feel like once you have a kid, how do I say this? I feel like once you have a kid, nobody validates your feelings. And by that, I mean, like, everything is, oh, you just had a baby. Oh, it's just postpartum. Oh, it's just like, so nothing, y'all tell moms not to center being a mother, but y'all center, I feel like people center being a mom more than any mom I've ever met centers being a mom. Like, if I say I want Chipotle, that does not, if I say I want Chick-fil-A and it's Sunday and I can't get it, so now I'm like, dang, I wish I could get Chick-fil-A. That doesn't mean that I'm going through postpartum anything. Like, I physically know that I'm going through something postpartum. My fucking hair is shedding like it's never shed before. Okay? I know that. I don't need anybody to tell me about that. I'm just hoping for a W, even more now with her, because I just want everything to be right and, perfect and as best as I can make it for her. And sometimes I'll, ask myself, are you doing your best? And my weight is one of those things. Like, I was trying to lose weight before I had a baby. So, and I also understand and I realize that. So, yeah, I don't even know if any of this makes sense. I hope that it does. I hope that it resonates with somebody. I mean, the Sixers just signed LeBron. So, I mean, I was feeling like I wanted to move back home, and I feel like now more than ever, like, this is the time to be home. I'm kidding, kind of. Not really. I do want to move back home, but not right now. I just want to, like, secure myself. I feel like I'm just in limbo, and I feel like the only thing that I know for sure right now is that I am a mother and I have to show up for my baby. That's all I know. And I want to know a couple more things. Like, I wish I had like a little genie in the bottle. You confused about some shit, or some stuff is like messed up when you start trying to YouTube your zodiac sign and watching videos. Last night, last night, I'm telling you, I watched like 3 videos about my zodiac. I'm sorry, like, it's deep. It get deep. Like, I have no answers. I normally don't know what the fuck is going on. I said, these little genies in the bottle ladies, they know what's going on. Let me watch. And there was some stuff that they were saying that I was like, whoa, like, that sound kind of good. Like, so when you say the $1 million is gonna be but anyway, I just don't like that feeling of like feeling like dauntless. Is that the proper word? I just don't like that feeling of just like not knowing what the fuck is going on. But I feel like something good is coming. And I'm just waiting, and I'm ready, and I don't want to rush it. Because I feel like everything I'm going through right now is preparing me to be able to reap those blessings and receive them properly. So I don't want to rush nothing. I want to learn all the lessons that God is trying to teach me and the universe is trying to teach me and everything. And that's all. That's all I can do. So yeah, I hope this helps somebody. I feel like I was just rambling, but I hope this helps somebody. Yeah. I'm talking about I hope it helps somebody. I hope it helps me. Shit.